Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So today we have one important topic under probability, and that topic is simply uniform distribution. Your host, Gordon Zolo. So one thing that you need to know about uniform distribution basically is you knowing how to create the formula using the parameters f of x being equal to 1 over b minus a, where the parameter is a less than x less than b, or if what we are given does not obey the given assumption, the number is always 0, which is 0 otherwise. So let us calculate the probability that you have to wait at least 20 minutes. So at least is simply greater or equal to 20. So how do you basically make up the formula? So you will say 1 over, so you are given 10,50, where 10 is your A and 50 is your B. So you will say 50 minus 10, which is basically 40. So this is how basically you create the formula and uniform distribution. So having created the formula, since they said you can weight greater than 20, so it is 20 to 50, because regardless of how much time you can wait, you should not exceed 50. So that's the assumption here. Then from here you integrate this, and when you integrate, you will have x over 40, 50 and 20. Then from here you just substitute, and you will have 50 over 40 minus 20 over 40. When you get your calculator, you divide 50 divided by 40, you get the value to be 1.25 minus 0.5. So we know for sure that 1.25 minus 0.5, you basically get the answer to be 0.75. So to this, our question here, we will add another question like, how do you find the expected value of x? The expected value of x in this case is also referred to as the mean. So for you to find the mean, you will say a plus b divided by 2, where the value of a is known to be 10, the value of b is known to be 50, divided by 2, giving you 30. So this is how basically you calculate the mean and uniform distribution. Then for you to calculate the variance of x, the variance of x is basically given by b minus a squared divided by 12, where the value of b in this case is 50 minus 10 to the power 2 divided by 12. So 50 minus 10 is 40, divided to the power 2 is 1,600. Then we divide by 12. So when we divide by 12, you get the answer to be 133.33. So this is basically the variance. So we can calculate the standard deviation from this particular amount. Remember, standard deviation is just the root of variance. So we just square root 133, and immediately we square root 133.33, we get the value to be 11.54. So this is how basically you calculate expectation, variance, and the standard deviation under uniform distribution.